Here's a Viam pick and place example. This one has a virtual obstacle simulating a ceiling or overhead constraint, so the arm stays within a safe zone and doesn't move above a certain height. We're using RRT motion planning algorithms to pick and place objects to predetermined locations with smooth and precise motion. This example uses an arm and a gripper. You can also integrate a camera or other sensors. Or if you want to switch to a different arm or a different gripper, or add a vision service, the Viam platform provides APIs so you don't need to worry about integrating each component. And you can swap them out to try a new approach, build faster and learn faster. If you're not familiar with the Viam platform, you can write an entire end-to-end application in a single script, in a single language, using simple APIs, without wasting time integrating each component or developing custom algorithms. Check out some of the other motion planning examples or request a demo.